how to do the pretzel foundation. Now, although this is not the typical pretzel step you see, this is going to give you some basic foundation on the step, as well as give you an outlet to get creative with this in the future. Let's start out from our basic push-up position. Knees bent, hips bent. Step 1, we're going to kick out with our heel. Step 2, we're going to land on our toe. Step 3, we're going to use both arms to reach over and bring our foot back to our push-up. We then repeat this step on the opposite side, going heel, toe, reach, over. Again, heel, toe, reach, over. Heel, toe, reach over, heel, toe, reach over, heel, toe, reach over, heel, toe, reach over. Practice this until you're comfortable and then incorporate it into your footwork. For more help with the dancing, make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube and Patreon.